What's going on? What's going on YouTube, Facebook, Instagram? This is Mike, the owner of Trushine Cleaning. Headed out to my first and only job today. Yeah, as you can see, that weather's starting to change. Have to pull back out the hoodie. You know, out here in St. Louis, man. So, show you guys what I'm doing. Since it's a small little living room, dining room area, I done her carpet. I want to say last in May of this year, so about a good 4 or 5 months ago. Let's take you guys in, man. Show you guys around. Kind of on the time schedule a little bit because I'm running late and she got to drop her son off at football practice, or they got a game today, one of those. And honestly, I'm trying to be done in like an hour. So we're going to see from start to finish. I told her, try to get it done. Hopefully I don't have to agitate the carpet. Hopefully I can just make a nice little mix of my pre-spray and don't have to do a lot of agitation. All I gotta do is go in. I let her know if she can vacuum before I did come. So hopefully she can vacuum and, you know, so it can cut down on some of my time. You know, if I ain't got to vacuum, I ain't got to agitate, I should be done in an hour. So we're going to see how it goes. Hopefully the areas is not too heavily soiled. So we're going to try to make the hour max. Alright, you guys, showing you guys this before video. I've already vacuumed, I've already pre-sprayed, and I've already agitated. So he was kind of getting stuff together when I first started, so I didn't really get any before of this room, before how it looked. But a lot of these soiled areas does look like they're gonna break up pretty good. So you're gonna see. I didn't have to meet the 10 o'clock deadline. She actually gonna have someone come and lock the door once I'm done. So that's the good thing. I can take my time on it. And it is about 9:20 right now. So should be finishing up between 10 and 10:30. I haven't agitated this room, but I have pre-sprayed and I have vacuumed already. So show you guys a little bit of this. I'm gonna get ready to start agitating now. So get ready to start agitating. I need to get me another green brush. Oops. Need to get me another green brush to go up on my org. I'm going to continue to do this. Show you guys once I start extracting. Alright, you guys, so this carpet is cleaning up pretty good. It does have a hole right there. Can't do anything about that. I don't do carpet repair of that size. Carpet is cleaning up pretty good compared to how soiled it was. Definitely looks way better than what it was, but